The Haunted Manor. Once, in a secluded countryside, stood an old manor that locals claimed was cursed. The legend spread that a wicked sorceress once resided within its walls, using dark magic to summon wicked spirits to do her bidding. As years passed, the stories became more grotesque, installing fear in the hearts of anyone who dared approach the eerie structure. One foggy autumn evening, a group of adventurous teenagers decided to test the rumors. Emma, Alex, and Sarah, filled with equal parts curiosity and anxiety, vowed to explore the haunted manor. Armed with flashlights and trembling laughter, they ventured into the darkness. As they entered the decrepit manor, an icy chill enveloped them. The atmosphere felt oppressive, as if the very air was tinted with a sinister presence. Creaks echoed through the halls, and shadows danced on the walls, causing their hearts to race. Determined to prove their bravery, the trio climbed the creaky staircase to the upper floor. Each step seemed to protest their presence, but they pressed on. In one of the rooms, they found a dusty, withered book, left behind by the sorceress herself. Hesitant yet intrigued, Emma began reading an incantation she found in the book. Suddenly the room came alive with an unnatural glow, and an otherworldly voice echoed through the walls. Fear overcame curiosity, and they rushed to leave the room. However, it was too late. The spell had awoken something malevolent. As they tried to escape, the door slammed shut, trapping them inside. Panic consumed them as ghostly apparitions materialized before their eyes. Terrifying visions haunted their minds, each one reflecting their deepest fears. They felt the cold touch of spectral hands, their whispers chilling their souls. No matter where they turned, they couldn't escape the torment of the vengeful spirits. Desperate, they tried to reverse the spell, but the incantation refused to leave their memories. The haunting continued night after night, driving them to the brink of madness. The once bold adventurers now wandered as hollow shells, their faces etched with terror. As days turned into endless nights, the haunted manor remained a place of sorrow and despair. Locals would glimpse the faint flicker of ghostly figures within, a constant reminder of the evil that still lurked within. And so the cursed manor stood abandoned, a monument of the horrors that lay beyond its skies, its malevolent spirits forever trapped, awaiting the next unfortunate soul who dare cross its threshold.